Today my video title is, Top Stupidest Startup Business Ideas of All Time. Today the title of my video, you don't understand in the beginning of my video, so you watched my video at the end. Don't skip any part of the video, so you don't understand anything in the video, so don't skip and watch full video. Blackmail. A website to blackmail your friends. The proposed website was described as a social network designed to allow users to share their friends' secrets, slowly revealing them until the friend paid to stop the disclosures. While the concept is certainly devious, I'm relieved to hear that it never materialized. My Funeral, a website to choose your funerals. DJ My Funeral is a website that allows individuals to plan for their eventual passing by selecting various aspects of their funeral service, including the guest list and the choice of DJ. While the concept may seem unconventional, it can provide peace of mind and ensure that one's final wishes are carried out according to their preferences. Loony, a social network for your imaginary friends. Loony was a proposed social network designed for users to connect with their imaginary friends, from popular fictional characters like Jessica Rabbit and Batman. While the idea may seem whimsical, the concept can also be viewed as unsettling or even creepy. Dumbest method to remove voting fraud. There is an individual who has proposed a method for eliminating voting fraud, but it involves a highly flawed approach. The proposed solution involves creating databases that include information on every individual's vote, along with pictures and printouts. However, this method completely undermines the notion of a secret ballot and disregards privacy concerns. In essence, this is an impractical and ineffective approach to address voting fraud. Ghost Hunter app. Detect paranormal presence around you. A group of individuals is attempting to capitalize on people's fascination with ghost hunting by developing an app that claims to detect nearby supernatural entities. The app purportedly uses technical jargon like true heading, geolocation, and raw vector to identify these otherworldly forces, despite the fact that most people find these terms meaningless. However, it appears that the creators need more funds to refine the app's functionality. It remains to be seen whether they will succeed in their endeavor. Digital Eco Recycle Bin. To get rid of digital software the right way. While it's important to prioritize environmental concerns, some individuals are now raising awareness about a less discussed issue: virtual pollution. Specifically, they are advocating for the use of eco-recycle bins to delete digital files such as music. While this may seem like an extreme measure to some, others argue that it's a necessary step to reduce our carbon footprint. The use of offensive language to express this idea, however, is unnecessary and inappropriate. It is totally a funny concept, all right reserved. So all viewers and my friends like this concepts in a funny way only. This concept is created in funny manners only. Don't apply these concepts in real life and AI era. Hello my viewers and my friends. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you are new on my channel, the auto channel link is in my video description box. Please subscribe my channel, comment and suggestion on my video in the comment section. If you suggestion on this video to comment in comment box.